Today in this video guide, we will talk about WhatsApp premium subscription feature, that is also called as WhatsApp Plus. So WhatsApp has added a new feature that is called WhatsApp Plus. It's an optional monthly premium subscription designed specially to enhance personalization and chat organization. Whereas the core messaging and call will remain completely free, subscribers will have an access to exclusive cosmetic upgrades and organization tools. So when you go to your settings on WhatsApp, you will get a subscription feature. Simply click on it, and after that here you will get WhatsApp Plus option. You can see it's saying upgrade your messaging experience, so you have to click on it, and here you can see several features that has been added. You are getting WhatsApp Plus free for 1 month, and it has added several other features. Just for example, you have to click on send exclusive stickers, and here you will get lots of features that has been added to WhatsApp Plus. Using these premium features, you can pin up to 20 important conversations at the top of your inbox, and you can also get a custom chat lists, and also assign a unique themes, chat fonts along with notification sounds to each list. Also you will get personalized to you will get the app's appearance with unique color themes and custom home screen, and at the same time you will get access to premium ringtones and special effect sticker packs. So these are all features that has been added to WhatsApp Plus. It's free for 1 month, and after that charge at $79 per month. So it's a new feature that has been rolling out still. You can easily check the availability or subscribe it by going to settings, then subscription, and then click on WhatsApp Plus. So you start your free month. So simply you have to click on it, and after that here be redirected to this page where you have to add your full name, first and last name, and after that you have to save it. And by this way you can access your WhatsApp Plus features, which is a premium subscription. If you cannot access it, then you have to check whether it's available in your region or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.